My name is the Strange Attractor. I'm dealing with philosophy, art and chaos theory. Last year, Christian published the popular guide to the Mandelbrot Set. And together with George, who is the publisher of the Bonner Heftchen, who gave the initial starting point for producing these booklets. And you can still buy them in our Etsy shop. And George and Christian went to the Frankfurt Book Fair 22, and yes, they exhibited this tiny booklet on the Frankfurt Book Fair. And they went there and made a little report about it and even asked people what they think about the Mandelbrot booklet. And yeah, enjoy the report and see you next time.
In 200 Metern links abbiegen in die Schmidtstraße.
Hallo aus Frankfurt!
Hey, wir machen ein englisches Video.
Okay, nochmal.
Hello, this is me from the Frankfurt Buchmesse 2022. I'm here together with George, the producer of the popular guide to the Mandelbrot Set booklet that is exhibited here on the Buchmesse, and we are trying to find and validate that it is exhibited at the exhibition. And yes, we are now going to the Buchmesse and check that out and ask the people perhaps what they think about it.
Okay.
And we are now just entering the fair. Let's go. Hello, I'm here on the Frankfurt Book Fair 2022 and I'm going to check whether the Bonner Heftchen, the popular guide to the Mandelbrot Set, is going to be exhibited, because we ordered a place and we're going to look at our place, how it is presented, and perhaps what the people even tell us about the booklet. So let's go to the Frankfurt Book Fair and see you there. Hello, we are now in the center and right in the exhibition place, and as you can see there are quite a lot of people gathering around here, and we are going straight to Hall 3 where we hope to find the location of the exhibition of this little booklet. So let's go. Hello, now we are in the center of the Hall 3 and we are here circa the Livro station, where the little booklet will be hopefully exhibited. Let's sneak in. There's George already. Have you found it? Have you found it? It must be around here. And there I see it already. How nice is that? Here we have the little booklet, the Mandelbrot booklet, the popular guide to the Mandelbrot Set on the Frankfurt Book Fair 22. And it's a pleasure to see it here, and I hope some people will read it and contact me, and I get some information how the people think about it. And yes, this was a task for today, to validate that the book is exhibited on the Frankfurt Book Fair. In fact, it has already been stolen and we replaced it. and we have been here before and talked with the exhibitions. And obviously someone already liked it so much that he had to take it with him. But we have enough booklets with us to replace any losses. And now we try to find people who might be interested in the booklet as well and find some more O-tones, original tones. So, see you later. Okay, so we are now here at the book fair and we have successfully found our stand, but now we have here a lot of people that are cosplaying, and we are now giving presents to cosplayers with the nicest costumes, and we will see how they will react when I present them a Mandelbrot guide. Let's see what happens. Hello, would you like to have a Mandelbrot booklet?
No, thank you.
No, okay. I have to point the right direction to them. Let's give them. Hello. What would you say if I show you this booklet and I make a present for you and we just film you taking it? It's good for your health. No? Okay. Thank you. Hello people! I'm just wondering, would you like to get the Mandelbrot introduction booklet? It's in German.
Oh, okay. Das kann ich nicht.
And if you like, you can make a good thumbs up for the camera. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We will see, we will get rid of them. You want some? Okay, they look really exciting, I would say. Let's continue. Hello, sorry for disturbing you. I have a present for you. And I want to give people that look somehow interesting a booklet and get them on camera. Oh, thanks. That's a present. About the Mandelbrot Set, and you will like it, and nice images, and you even might learn something. And it's in German language. That's okay. Don't be afraid. But you look awesome, and thank you. Thank you too. Okay. So the people seem to be a little bit afraid of the Mandelbrot Set, but that's exactly the reason why we are doing this, people.
Die sind zu jung.
I want to give this to the pirate guy, the one piece. Is this one piece?
Yeah, not me.
This, and I'm here just for promotional reasons because you are looking so awesome and so great, and I have a present for you. A little introduction to the Mandelbrot Set. If anyone wants to have it and make a thumbs up in the camera, feel free. But we adore your costumes and they look beautiful.
That's like, why?
likes it. He likes it. Yes, then you can keep it.
He doesn't like a good Mandelbrot.
Yes, I would say the same, my friend. And he has the right attitude. And I hope we find some more people here on the book fair. And enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy it yourself.
Yeah. So one last take. Hello people, I have a present for you. You look so awesome that I wanted to film you while I give you this present. A little booklet about the Mandelbrot Set I wrote myself, and it's exhibited here on the exhibition, and you can get it now for free. And Super Mario needs support. And all the generative levels are based on the Mandelbrot Set. Generated level or randomized levels, this is all based on the Mandelbrot Set, my friend. Take it, it's free. It's free. It's a booklet about the Mandelbrot Set, the popular guide to the Mandelbrot Set to share the knowledge about chaos theory. And I am the missionary for chaos theory and I try to spread the knowledge. Yes, thank you for your nice attitude and see you and enjoy your stay here.
Thank you. You too. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay, so the people are a bit scared about the Mandelbrot Set, which is clear because it's such an enormous, complex structure with so many colors, with so many features. You have strange attractors, you have endless loops, you have infinity, you have bounded areas and everything. So the people can be scared, but I'm here to not scare them. Thank you for watching and see you next time.